Welcome back. This is Benjamin from OpenFirepitCooking.com, and today we're going to cook up some asparagus. So anytime I like to do a beef, which I'm cooking now, I like to do asparagus, and I do it in just a large bread pan, cast iron bread pan. So I just take my bread pan, take my asparagus, just throw it in there. Just throw in that asparagus. And this is frozen asparagus, but it won't take too long to heat up. And then I'm going to cover it in some oil. Sprinkle some oil on it. And then just like all my vegetables, I use McCormick vegetable seasoning. So I hit it up pretty good with that. I love this stuff. I don't remember who turned me on to it, but this stuff is amazing. So if you don't know it, go grab yourself some of that and try it out. Alright. And then I love garlic as well, so I'm going to sprinkle some garlic on there. And we're going to toss this several times during this cook with some tongs, so don't worry about it all being on top. And then I love butter, real butter, real natural butter, so I like throwing that on there for some flavor. And we're just going to throw that somewhere on the grill and just let it warm up. So that's basically it. We'll be back once we get done. So thank you for stopping by with Firepitcooking.com. I hope you're enjoying this channel, by the way. I just started out. I hope you enjoy. I love to cook, so if you're just stopping by and seeing me now, I'm hitting this pretty hard. So I'm really enthused that you guys are all finding me on YouTube, and I hope that you subscribe. So thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. This is Benjamin with OpenFirepitCooking.com, and welcome back. We're going to check on our vegetables real quick. There we go. Okay, so our asparagus is done. So I'm just going to slide that off to the side. And we'll be back when we plate it up. Welcome back. This is Benjamin from Firepitcooking.com, and we're going to pull our vegetables off and plate it up. So I got my vegetables on there. There's my asparagus. And I'm going to throw some meat on there as well. So get some nice good skirt, some sausage. So I hope you enjoyed stopping by. Dinner served.